In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Make sure to watch the complete tutorial at the end of this video, as it is a straightforward process. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to avoid missing any helpful tutorials in the future. Thank you guys. To get started, open the Settings app. Once there, locate General and then go to iPhone Storage. Next, find the Snapchat app and choose to offload it. To resolve the issue, you'll need to reinstall the app after offloading it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.